In front of me is Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to change icon shape on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and here enroll advanced options. Now you have to enter developer options, and if you cannot see them here, just check how to unlock developer options in Motorola and then smoothly enter it. Now scroll down, and here at the bottom of the list you will find icon shape. Just click here, and now you can pick square, teardrop, or any other. Just pick whichever you want to. Maybe I will pick rounded rectangle, and as you can see, it has been already changed. If you would like to pick any other shape, just click on icon shape and pick, for example, teardrop. And here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can change icon shape. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.